Vegan products don't contain meat or any ingredients sourced from animals, such as honey, eggs, or dairy. But you don't need to fear inviting vegans to your backyard barbecue with these delicious black bean burgers, made from simple ingredients that unite herbivores and carnivores alike. Mash black beans in a bowl. Add onion, garlic, carrots, and green bell pepper. Mix. Whisk ground flax seeds, water, chili garlic sauce, chili powder, cumin, seafood seasoning, salt, and black pepper together in a separate bowl. Stir mixture into black beans. Stir oat flour into bean mixture until a sticky batter forms. Form burger patties with black bean batter and place on a grease baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees until cooked through and crispy on the outside, about 10 minutes on each side. Serve with vegan condiments, hamburger buns, and your favorite fixings for a delicious burger free of animal products.